Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to share a friend's profile on Snapchat using the latest update. If you've been trying to recommend a friend or connect people easily, this is the fastest way to do it. Let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main camera screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you straight to your profile page where all your account options are located. Next, scroll down a bit until you find the My Friends section, then tap on it. This is where you'll see your full list of friends on Snapchat. Now, find the friend whose profile you want to share. Once you locate their name, press and hold on it. Don't just tap. Make sure you hold it down for a moment until a menu pops up with more options. From the menu that appears, look for the option that says Send Location To. Tap on that. Even though the wording might seem a little unexpected, this is the option Snapchat uses to share your friend's profile with others. After that, you'll be taken to a new screen where you can choose who you want to send it to. You can select one friend, multiple friends, or even a group chat, whatever works best for you. Once you've picked the destination, simply send